Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Confirm the vessel's connectivity plan and available data so you avoid surprise costs. Once done, power the antenna and the shipboard modem or router, then enable Wi-Fi on your device. Make sure you have login credentials and any static IP details. Once connected to the ship Wi-Fi, open the captive portal or SSH to the router. This first action gets you online quickly and provides the baseline for configuration that follows. Once online, you configure addressing. Choose DHCP or assign a static IP within the vessel's subnet and set the correct gateway and DNS so services resolve reliably. Then implement quality of service rules to prioritize essential traffic like navigation, email, and operational tools while throttling bulk downloads. Make sure to enable compression and cache where possible. This reduces latency and saves data. Finally, test reachability to key servers and measure latency, so you can adjust. You finalize by actively monitoring usage, signal strength, and latency to avoid exceeding data caps and to detect issues early. Make sure access is secured with strong passwords, WPA2/3, and a VPN for sensitive traffic. Set per user quotas to prevent abuse. Schedule firmware updates and large downloads during off-peak windows. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting step is to reboot the modem/router and check antenna alignment and cabling. If that fails, collect logs and contact the provider with time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.